Looking to build a scalable enterprise application that works seamlessly across platforms? Meet Flutter, Google's UI toolkit that's transforming app development. In this video, we will talk about Google's UI toolkit that's transforming app development, how Flutter can help you create powerful scalable apps for your business with a single code base for all platforms. Flutter is an open source SDK by Google, allowing developers to build applications for iOS, Android, web, and desktop from one code base. That means you save time and money while delivering a consistent high quality user experience. But why choose Flutter for enterprise apps? It's not just about great user interference. Flutter's scalable architecture, strong security features, and easy multi-platform deployment make it perfect for enterprise needs. Big names like Alibaba and eBay are already on board, using Flutters to scale up their operation like pros. Singsys is all about making scalable apps that fits your needs like a glove. Click that link below and let's get show on the road. Like your business is all about to take off and we are here for the ride.